I never see the lights out. They get me overdrive. Fancy on a fast car. This is how you make me feel.
Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's daily forecast video. So our main goal for today is to basically find out the bias for tomorrow, and we'll be starting off from the daily chart. Well, the daily chart has been very bullish for a while, so we retested all of these kind of supports, and we'll be focusing on the most recent daily candle to see what happened on those daily candles. So when we look at the candle of Thursday last week, we can clearly see that the Thursday candle has traded into a daily bullish fair value gap, which is also indicating bullish price action for us. So based on the daily candlestick, so this is honestly a bullish liquidity grab, and we have also gotten the break of market structure around here. So based on the daily chart, it is basically giving me that you might continue to the upside. But let's go and refine it further on the 4-hour chart so that you guys can understand. And looking at structure, if we are indeed going to be bullish for tomorrow, price must not break below this low right here. We must respect it. So this will be also an area of interest for us to potentially look for long move on gold. So for something like this. But the moment we see that gold has broken below this low, we must be wary that gold might continue with the downtrend. But then again, if we look at this area right here, we can clearly see that this fair value gap hasn't been collected yet. So there's a possible chance that we might see gold drop to the downside and collect this fair value gap to then give us a bullish reversal. Because when we look at this area, on this area there is also a bullish support around here, and the fair value gap around this area is still fresh. We haven't collected that fair value gap yet. So there is a possibility that we might go below last week Thursday low to eventually continue higher. And the moment you see that gold has dropped below Thursday low, then you must go to the lower time frame, like the 1-hour chart perhaps, and then you must be looking for bullish structure the moment you see that gold has dropped below this low. And when you see that bullish structure around this area, then you would be looking for buys, because based off the 4-hour chart, we still have a very clean fair value gap around here, and we might get some reaction from it. And if we're going to be using the Fibonacci tool, it is also aligning with our 70.50% level, which is our OTE level. So there's a possible chance that we might get a reaction from it if gold decides to drop lower. So if gold decides to drop lower, then I'll be using this area as an area of interest to look for long. This is one of my scenario that I'm potentially waiting for to see happen. But like I said to you guys, based off the 4-hour chart, the structure is bullish. And let's go through a 1-hour chart to further investigate things. So by focusing on the 1-hour structure, we can clearly see that the 1-hour internal range structure is also giving us bullish 5. So we're currently in the process of collecting internal liquidity. So we have bullish structure around here, and we also came with a retest on this bullish support level. So what is the plan? What if gold doesn't decide to drop under the zero to eventually continue higher up? Like, what is the number one thing that you must focus on to get into the long move? So for example, okay, based on the lower time frame we are bearish, but based on the higher time frame we are still bullish. Okay, and let's go and um analyze the middle time frame to see if we might get a reversal around here. What will be the things that you will see to know that we finally have a reversal on the middle time frame for you to finally be buying around this area? So this is actually a hidden liquidity gap. Like, it doesn't seem like much, but if you actually go to the line chart, you can clearly see that we have clearly gotten below these lows. And the moment you see that gold is showing us indication that it wants to trade above this high right here, then we'll be getting then structure will be getting us a bullish shift. So the moment you see that gold is willing to basically trade above this price level right here and give us a candle body close above it, then I'll be looking for a long move, expecting gold to finally get above this high, because this is a bullish reversal profile in play. But the most important thing is, for this to actually work out, we need to basically break above this high. Once we manage to break above this high, then I'll be looking for a long move with a retest to eventually target this high. Because at the end of the day, structure is still bullish on the higher time frame. And like, you will not be selling for no reason if you don't see bearish structure yet. But based on the middle time frame, you might see some bearish structure if gold decides to go below these lows. Then I'll be very careful with buying, because the moment you see that gold is trading below these lows, then the structure will be bearish, and then we might continue to the downside. But the key question is, will we be getting the reversal around here, or will we continue to the upside? Like, that is the big question that is in my mind. But in in order for the market to continue bullish at this current range, we need to break above this high first. Once we manage to break above that high first, then we can look for a potential long move and eventually target this area. But if we do break below this low, then we are bearish for Monday. But the question is, will the market give us a reversal around here? Then again, I do not know, but we'll be seeing it on the coming days. So I hope that you guys enjoyed my forecast video. Please check my description below to sign in for my upcoming mentorship. Thank you for watching.